Welcome to Place Rossetti. Place Rossetti is a central point of the old town, where you can find little restaurants, cafes, and great ice cream places. Here you can also find the famous ice cream place called Azzurro, one of the best ice creams in town. On Place Rossetti you can also find the Cathedral St. Reparate. It's a Roman Catholic cathedral in Baroque style. Baroque churches are very rare in France and are found only in the southeast region influenced by Italy or previously Italian, as in this case here. However, the church was fired in the 17th century in honor of St. Riviera. If you want to find out more about the history of Nice, book your free walking tour on our website or check out our social medias in the description box down below. See you next time!